here to recreate this tutorial with you guys. A simple fall makeup tutorial, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really love this makeup, it's really nice, and give me a thumbs up, it's really important. Subscribe my channel, follow me on social media. I'll let all the things down below on the description box. And let's get started with this look. So I've already primed my lid with concealer, and now for the first step we're going to do is pick a smoky brush, and I'm going to use the Jim Charles palette, and I'm going to use this palette too by Too Faced. It's the Sweet Peach one. I love the colors, and for this look I need to use it, and I'm going to just this color. This is Candy Peach. It's like a coral color. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful, and yeah. I'm going to tell you the steps. So first step, it's pick the yellow one and start packing this color into the crease. These colors are really pigmented. These colors are insanely good. Insanely good. Now, with a more fluffy brush, more tiny but fluffy one, we're going to pack the Candied Peach color by Too Faced. We're just going to use some, pat the color, and then, this color is really pigmented too, and then apply into the outer corner, bring a little bit into the crease, and then apply into the whole lid. Follow these steps and you will not regret it. Now I'll be doing a cut crease with this concealer one from Comme Tinted Eau, and I'll be right back. So here I am with my cut crease all done. I started from the start here in the inner corner, and then I stopped right in the center of my lid. So now I'm going to apply ring light from the Jim Charles palette, of course, with this brush, like a flat brush, and this color is so pigmented. Look at this. Jesus. And then let's just apply like this. Then I like to finish the touches with my finger, because fingers warms out the product, as I'm always saying, but it's really important. And the finger warms out the product and the color gets more pigmented. So even it's shimmery colors or pigments or whatever, color gets more pigmented even more. Look at this. Ooh. Nice. Then just blend the edges right here, and then with a pencil brush we're going to have Candied Peach on the Too Faced palette, and bring the center of your lid to the end of it, like this. Just like this, and then with the same color, with the same brush, we're going to pack the yellow color again in the start of your lid, the bottom of your lashes. And joining the colorish color. Now, mascara time. I'm going to use my ultimate favorite, Lancome Grandiose, and let's apply it on the top of your lashes, on the top of my lashes. And on the bottom as well. Like this, like this. And now for lipstick, I have here a new one, my Maybelline. These lipsticks are very trendy nowadays. And it's the Superstay in Crayon. God, focus, okay. And this is just like a crayon, a pen. And look at this color. It's really great. You just do like this and you apply on your lips, and then here on the bottom it has, here we just have the tool to sharp the pen. So, oh my god, focus. Thank you. Just hit it too, and then you just grab it, and the color is really beautiful. And I'm just here to this color is it's not a burgundy, but almost is, and it's basically more like a nude. And I love this color so much. And yeah, that's it, babes, babes, babes. Look at this look. Look at this look. It's really, I just love it for fall. And really nice, really nice. I just love it so much. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. We're finished. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel and follow me on social media. On Instagram, by the way, because I'm always there. So... So yeah, that's it. I'll see you next video. Bye.